Hi, welcome to How to Use This Channel, Think Like a Physicist Channel Guide, version 1, as of June 20th, 2019. This is a guide to Think Like a Physicist. It's meant to give you an idea of what's available here and where you might want to start. New videos are posted regularly, so this video will be updated as more material becomes available. Feel free to leave questions or suggestions in the comments below. If you'd like to know when new videos on this channel are released, please hit the subscribe button below. So the focus of this channel will consist of three main topics. First, how science progresses, how we know what we know, and how we quantify our certainty of the things we know. Second, making decisions in the presence of uncertainty. And third, making simple models that capture the important features of phenomena without unnecessary detail. We talk about these topics both in the context of science and in the context of everyday life. Now, certainly you're welcome to watch whatever videos you want in whatever order you choose, but we'll give some quick recommendations here. Links are included in the video description below. One video which will give a reasonable overview is What's This Channel About? We'd recommend that as the next place to go after this video. Now, to get a concrete idea of some of what this channel hopes to accomplish, but without all the mathematical detail, we'd recommend the playlist Minicourse on Error Bars, Measurements, and Decision Analysis. The videos in that playlist outline the basic ideas of measurement uncertainties, interpreting a scientific measurement, and using data to make better decisions. They also point to videos with more rigorous detail. Now, scientific progress requires us to make judgments on the validity of hypotheses using measurements which have uncertainties. Also, in everyday life, we often have to make decisions on various issues without knowing how various events will turn out. So, to talk about science and decision-making, we need some important concepts from probability and statistics. Thus, we have quite a few videos on probability and statistics on this channel, which might also come in handy if you want to learn about those topics. Here, we'll point to a few examples. A few basics of probability can be found in the playlist Coin Flipping, Bayesian Probabilities, and Priors. You can learn about the Poisson distribution in the Poisson Statistics playlist. And to learn about the Gaussian or normal distribution, which comes up in a wide array of contexts, you can check out the Gaussian Statistics playlist. We also cover other topics in probability and statistics, so we encourage you to browse the videos and playlists of this channel. If you're interested in learning about data analysis, these videos will give you an introduction to some very important relevant concepts. Now, we'll mention one helpful hint about this channel. The videos are color-coded depending on their overall theme. Introductory videos like this one have a light blue background. Meanwhile, videos about probability and statistics have a purple background. Videos focused on science and scientific methods have a salmon-colored background. And finally, videos about real-world examples are given in green. Okay, so hopefully this video will give you a starting roadmap to think like a physicist. Thanks for visiting. Feel free to leave questions or suggestions in the comments below, and please like and subscribe.